How to log out from Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Once the site loads, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, look at the top right corner of the home page where you will see the timer along with the starter icon. Hover over there and the drop-down menu will open. In the drop-down, you will see the sign out option. Simply click on sign out to sign out of your Lalal.ai account. You will be redirected to the home page as a guest, confirming that you have successfully logged out. And that's it. Now you know how to log out from Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.